Hi, Jens here from Digital Coffee Videos. Today I got a guest with me. I got Nilu Sethi from Excella Travel.
Hi everyone.
Nilu, I've heard that you are juggling some pretty large Excel sheets.
Yes, currently manage 3 sheets with over 10,000 rows and 20 columns.
Wow, that's over 200,000 cells per sheet.
Yes, managing data for a high sales volume industry requires good tools. Excel is a good tool for me.
Would you be interested to know more how you can get plugins from Microsoft AppSource to help you make Excel even better?
Yes, sounds good.
Well, let's head over to our Digital Coffee video of the week and look at Microsoft AppSource and plugins into Excel. Video 9. Power Excel. You're not alone. Remember, if you have a bottleneck problem, then someone else is bound to have had the same problem as well and found a solution to the problem. Let's look at Excel from this perspective. I love Excel. It's a great tool. But is there a way to make Excel even better? In video 8, we introduced Microsoft AppSource as a go-to place to find tools to plug into your Office applications. If you go there, then you will find even more reasons to love Excel and perhaps solve some of the things that have annoyed you in the past. Importing data into Excel has improved a lot over the years. But there are still instances when you get a CSV file which is not really comma delimited, or information is bundled up in such a way that it's hard for you to analyze the information. In this example from the author of the tool, they have taken information from a logistics system and split it up nicely in Excel so you can work with it. Sometimes when you work with big data sets, you like to know how similar or dissimilar different periods are. The column match tool helps you do that. It tells you if it's the same, similar, or dissimilar. The tool also helps you find identical columns over periods of time. We now have some good reasons to like and love Excel, Outlook even more. All you need to do is to go to Microsoft AppSource and find those tools that other people have made to solve the problems that they have had. As you can see, there are quite a number of new tools out there that you can add to your own toolbox thanks to the Microsoft AppSource. Just go there, find them, implement them, and train on them. But Office 365 is even more than the apps that we have gotten to know so well. Office 365 is running in the cloud, and behind it all is SharePoint. SharePoint is a great tool for collaboration, information management, working between teams, and working with your partners. And in the future video, I will show you a bit more what you can do with Microsoft SharePoint. So we come to the end of video 9. Thank you for listening in. Looking forward to see you next week, and do keep an eye out for that future SharePoint video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Our coffees are now gone, so I'm off to make video number 10, the reduced cost of IT. So Nilu, what do you look for in IT?
Well, as a travel agent that serves clients all over the world, we need to be able to work from any location. We service many different time zones, so any software as a service that helps us to do that is great for us.
Great, then I hope you will enjoy video number 10. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.